Hi, this is Shasta Borland with my second resource walkthrough. For this one I chose to do DreamBox, and I am going to do the teacher tools. I am relating this to Common Core standards. I'm in the first grade standards under operations and algebraic thinking, and I'm down here with number 5. Relate counting to addition and subtraction. This is when they kind of start learning and making connections. Okay, I'm counting because I'm counting up, that's addition. I'm counting down, that's subtraction. And getting the idea of you don't have to count up, you can just think, oh, add 2. So I'm going to take you to the resource. This is the resource of DreamBox, and it has tons of games and activities, and they're broken down into a section such as kindergarten, 3rd grade, you can see here, and I went down to 1st grade. First grade number sense and equivalence, that's where I got this resource from, and I did download sample lesson plan, and I have the lesson plan over here. I've already read through it, so I'll kind of give you a rundown. What you're going to get is it's going to show you a picture. And the first pictures aren't this hard. They're simpler, so you can start relating to counting. It's going to show you maybe just this box, and you're going to see, oh, you have all 10 of the markers. Oh, then I just have 8 of the markers, and the kids have to look and see how many they're doing. And it shows you it real quick, so, oh, there's 2 gone. I need to subtract 2. Whereas there might not be enough time to count, but they might have enough time to count. When you're first starting it, it says it over here, you're going to start with dry erase boards, and you're going to have them all show it in their answers in the air. I like this because it's showing it has multiple entry points. They can say, I counted 38 counters in the picture, or there are 3 boxes of 10 and 8 ones and at least 1. That equals 38. So you can see that they can do it multiple ways, which means there's multiple entry and exit points for them. And repeat this process, and then you're going to do it. You're going to have the child do it. They are going to, instead of writing it on the marker board, they're going to discuss their answer with a partner, getting that sharing in and talking about their strategy and communicating, and maybe they can see their own mistakes with that as well. And then they'll be able to share out loud the answer that they got, and then at that point one of the students can come up and they can click the right answer. And I would do this at the beginning of a lesson to kind of get their brains start to thinking, oh, how does adding and subtracting relate to counting, and get them thinking and talking and discussing on their own before I jumped into the lesson. So this would be an entering activity for me. And then this, I'm going to show you what the game looks like. You can say show card, and it shows it, and you only have 4, so you click 4. So they could either count 4, or they can say, hey, there's 10 spaces, 10, and then minus 5 out is 5, 1 more is missing, so there's 4. And you can even, it'll show you it real quick, and then it'll go away. So then at that point, they have to use more skills. So what did they see in that quick one? They didn't have enough time to count. There was 4 missing. I believe there's 4 missing. So if there's 4 missing, there's probably 6. I got it right. And you can have them, you can show them a card for a certain amount of time, or you could hide the card. And then you go through this game to start making those connections. Alright, that is the activity from DreamBox. Thank you.